Hi guys, so today I want to share this recipe with you, and it has wine in it. Yes. So for the ingredients, you're going to need a box of yellow cake mix, a box of instant vanilla pudding, some brown sugar, white sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and 4 eggs. You're also going to need some water, some oil, and wine. You can use any wine, any white wine, but Pinot Grigio was suggested. So to start this off, you're going to go ahead and mix all your dry ingredients together, which is our 2 sugars, our cinnamon, our instant pudding, and our cake mix. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our liquids, which is our water, oil, and our white wine. So next, we're going to go ahead and mix that until it's nicely combined. And then we're going to go ahead and start to beat in our eggs. You want to beat in 1 egg at a time. Then you're going to beat it until it's nice and fluffy. Guys, this cake reminds me of a super donut. If you've had a super donut in grade school, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They were heaven. You can actually still buy them online if you didn't know that, but you can. But anyways, you want to make sure that you grease your pan very well. I used some butter flavor Crisco. Yes, I know that's horrible. And I also sprayed it with a little bit of Pam. You just want to make sure you grease your pan very well. Add our batter, and then we're going to pop this in the oven at 350. You want to cook it for about 50 to 60 minutes. You can use a wooden skewer to check if it comes out clean. It's done. We're going to go ahead and make our syrup / glaze for this cake. All you need is some butter, sugar, and white wine. Yes. All you're going to do is melt that down in a small saucepan. You don't have to bring it to a boil. You just want to make sure the sugar's dissolved. Now once our cake is done, we're going to go ahead and pour this over our cake while the cake is still nice and hot. So right when you get it out of the oven, you want to go ahead and put this on there. You're going to pour, and then you're going to poke. You can use a fork, a small knife. I'm using a wooden skewer. You can just poke, 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 and then we're going to pour, and then we're going to poke, 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 and then we're going to pour. You want to make sure the cake absorbs the syrup. You guys, this is so good. At first I was thinking that's going to be a little bit too much glaze, but it wasn't. It was perfect. You just want to make sure it gets off into those holes. And when it's done, look at that. Do you see when you cut? Do you see how moist that cake is? You guys, look at the moisture. Oh yes. Oh, you guys, this cake is so good. This cake gets an A+ from me, you guys. You definitely gotta try it. It's kind of like a cinnamon bun / super donut. Yum.